Alex Villafania, and right here, right now, with me is Mr. Ryan Cayabyab, the ever amazing composer, and also an alumnus of the University of the Philippines. Sir, I understand that you did a lot of the songs and the music for the 100-year anniversary of the university.
Actually, that's not true. Actually,
Okay.
I composed only one very important song, and it's called Salamat Sa'yo UP. And the lyrics were written by a high school classmate of mine, Romeo Candazo. He used to be also the representative of Marikina to Congress. I wrote the song at first for UP High School because both of us, Romeo and myself, are alumni of UP High School. So we turned the lyrics a bit and created it for the university for the entire University of the Philippines.
So, sir, can you tell us something about your life as a student and then as an alumnus of the university? When did you get into the university? And
actually, I consider myself a UP citizen. I grew up here. The moment I was born, I lived inside UP campus. My mother was as a professor, was an instructor in voice in the College of Music. And so we lived inside Area 1, the UP campus in Area 1. And I was in grade school here, UP Elementary School, and I took my high school here, UP High School. I graduated in 1970. And then I took my, I entered here at BSBA, but eventually I shifted courses. I went to College of Music. Then after I graduated from College of Music, I started to teach in UP. So for almost 20 years, I've been giving back to the UP, the university. But eventually, by the time the millennium ended, 2000, I was out of the university. But I'm always on call. So whenever there's anything for you, that's why Salamat Sa'yo is our dedication to our university.
Sir, are you still teaching in the university?
I'm sorry.
Are you
No
teaching
more.
in the university?
I'm not teaching anymore.
But do you have any plans of
Returning to
continue
teach? No.
continue imparting
No.
knowledge?
At this point in my life, I think I have to keep on writing more music.
All right. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you,
and congratulations for the song that
Salamat.
you gave for the university.
Thank you.